A quick update on the Bloom airdrop. This is what every one of us have been waiting for all this while. So now TGE is on the 27th of June. That is just 2 days from now. And this is very interesting, especially if you have like 300, 500 of this very token, which is also very amazing because if you have that quantity, then it means that you are going to get something reasonable. And I believe so. And if you look at this very one right here, which they just posted a few hours ago, we have this very information. Bloom is going to be listing on Bitget. This is very important. And I think this is going to help the token do well at listing as well. And this is going to make it also climb all the way to the upside after the listing. So this is a very important update, guys. This very video answer a lot of questions because the question about TGE have been on the table all this while. Let's take a look at it.
When is TGE? When is TGE? When is TGE? When is TGE? TGE, 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 TGE. When is TGE? When is...
So 27th of June is the date for TGE. And this is very, very amazing for every one of us that is on the Bloom airdrop. Personally, I believe the Bloom airdrop is going to try. It's not going to be like all that token that we've seen in the past. They're going to try, okay, even though it's not going to be that aggressive. And of course, Bitcoin have now regained the $108K mark, okay, so $108,000, which means positivity is back in the market. Not only that, there is a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, which means the market stability have come back. And personally, I believe we're going to see the market begin to move all the way to the upside. And if you follow my technical analysis, you will see that yesterday I talked about markets moving all the way upward. And that is the exact same thing we're going to see from now moving forward. So pay attention to this. And this very token is going to try. That is my opinion. And if you come to the pre-market here on gate.io, we see the market coming back down, which is not a bad thing. Look at it right here. Market is coming back down right at this very point. And I'm expecting the market to still come back down. And we're going to see a little move all the way to the upside. Of course, before listing, I am not expecting the market to go below 0.002. Okay, 0.002. Right now, we have 0.0022. That is the pre-market price right now. But I'm not expecting the market to crash into this very area of 0.0144. I'm not expecting that very crash all the way to the downside. The possibility is there. Market can do anything. But right now, I am very positive about the markets, like the crypto market in general. There is stability right now in the market. Not only that, there is positivity. The positive sentiment have already increased because of the ceasefire between Iran and Israel. Therefore, look at this very market. It's going to come back down and move upward. And after 27th of June, this very chart will be null and void because the token will be live on major exchange. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. I believe the Bloom token is going to list a little bit higher than what we're seeing right here. And that is why my price prediction is still 0.05. Okay, that is where I am expecting this very token to get that listing at. And then market is going to move upward to 0.5. This is my personal opinion. I don't expect this token hit $1. The possibility is there, market can do anything, but for the token to hit $1 will be very, very hard because this will require a lot of liquidity to be put into the liquidity pool at listing. So this is what you have to pay attention to right now. So the pre-market price is going to come back down before the next move upward. And I believe between 0.05 and 0.5, this very range is where we're going to see the listing price. For the fact that Bitget is going to list this very token, at least a centralized exchange listing it is okay. The other time, it seems as if they're not going to list on any SEX at all. For the fact that Bitget is going to list it is something good because Bitget had users that is going to pull in some liquidity as well and buy the token initially at listing, which is a welcome development. I am also expecting that the Bloom team bring out more SEX, like maybe Bybit or KuCoin, even though it's not Binance, but some of these SEX can also help, bring in more liquidity into the token as we wait for the token to move all the way to the upside. Of course, not much of this token is going to be in circulation you're going to see very few or very little token in circulation. And this is going to drive the price all the way to the upside. So this is a very important update and good news. If you've been mining the Blum airdrop all this while, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Join right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.